windows tinted but you're not sure what shade or film is right for you? No worries, we'll help you choose and break down what film is going to be best for your vehicle. If you're looking just to get the front two windows tinted on your vehicle, the best is going to be our ATC 20 film over here. This is what matches best to the factory privacy glass on the rear of your vehicle. You know, different manufacturers are all different for the privacy glass, but the best matching film is going to be our ATC 20. Next, we have our CTX and our IRX films. Both are great choices for your vehicle. The most popular choice is going to be our CTX 15 here. That is going to provide the best style and look with the vehicle without really reducing the visibility at night. And then also our 50% is great for windshields that still adds a little bit of shade and cool look to it without taking that visibility at night from you. So in addition to that, we also offer our 5% limo tint here. That's going to give you the max amount of privacy on the vehicle. If you are still looking to have privacy but you don't want to go that dark, the 25 and 35% is a good way to still make the car look cool, get that heat rejection, and also get some privacy out of the vehicle. In addition to our 50% series, if you're really looking to get your vehicle tinted for the heat rejection but not, you know, lose that visibility at night, then our Air 80 series here is a great option for you. It's pretty much clear as day, so putting that on is not going to change any visibility for you and still provides that great heat rejection. So all of our window films do come with a lifetime warranty, and it is installed by trained professionals right here at Precision Auto Protective Films. If you're wanting to upgrade your vehicle with high quality window tint, please contact us today or schedule and book an appointment at www.precisionautoprotectivefilms.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.